Hey guys, just a quick video on adjusting your high-low kit on your function form suspension. Once OEM spring has been removed and you're ready to install your rear spring purchase, adjust the collars to your starting baseline height. Once OEM shock has been removed, please install your new shock assembly. If your rear shock assembly comes with this bushing, you would first split the bushing itself, put the lower half on and install into the vehicle. Once the shock assembly has been slid into the bottom half of the vehicle, you would then slide the other half of the bushing along with the top washer and nut and tighten by hand. If you are installing Type 2 coilovers, you would now install the damper knob. Screw in the knob by hand and tighten with a 13mm wrench. Do not over tighten. Once shock assembly has been installed, you will now install spring and lower spring perch. Now that you have your spring assembly installed on the vehicle, you will now set preload. First, measure the spring's free length, and once you have those measurements, compress it by 5mm. Now adjust shock length accordingly to ensure you have proper shock travel. The new shock length should allow mounting bolt to slide in freely. Once lower mount bolt is torqued to OEM standards, you will now finish up by tightening up the locking collars on both lower mount and spring perch. Thanks for watching this video on how to adjust your high-low kit on your coilovers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.